in the abyss is just demons that are mindless, unbridled destruction. The devils of the nine hells that work for Asmodeus, you know that they're absolutely evil, but they are negotiators. And they actually, while they corrupt mortals, they actually want to maintain the universe in existence, because if there's no multiverse, there are no souls for them to tempt. They're practical in their evil. And so they, in their war with the two arms of evil fighting each other, ironically, it is hell that keeps the abyss at bay. And hell is led